morning, first grade. It's time for Number Corner. So let's take a look at our January calendar. We are in the month of January, and January is the first month of the new year, 2021. Yesterday, the day of the week was Thursday. Today is Friday. Friday, January 15th, 2021. Here's today's calendar card. It's an equation. It says 15 equals something plus 5. We have to figure out what the missing partner is. 15 is the total. 15 equals something plus 5. Let's write that on our chart. Okay. So the date is January, so 1-15. And the equation starts with the total, 15, and then the equal to sign, something plus 5. So let's make a number tree. Here's our number tree. I'm going to put 15 at the top. The total goes at the top. I have a missing partner, and my other partner is the number 5. Remember, I can add my two partners together to get my total. So something plus 5 equals 15. Think about how you could solve that. We've been working on counting by 5s. Maybe you could figure it out that way. So you have 5, 10, 15. So if you're counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 5 plus 5 is 10. So our missing partner is 10. Does that make sense? 10 plus 5 equals 15? It sure does. So our missing partner is 10. Okay. My story problem is I have 15 books. Okay. So, because we're starting with our total. I have 15 books. Some are nonfiction. Here's our sum. That's what we don't know. 5 are fiction. So the question is, how many are nonfiction? And we figured that out by counting by 5s to find our missing partner. So 5, 10, 15. And if I'm counting by 5s, 5 plus 5 is 10. You can always grab on to that partner that you know and count up. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can always do that. Okay? So 10 plus 5 equals 15. All right, so let's move over here and update. We will add another day in school to our chart here. And we can see that we have 8 groups of 10. So we have 8 groups of 10 and 2 1s. That makes 82. 80 plus 2, 8 10s plus 2 1s. And today is January 15th, 2021, 1-15-21. And then the last thing we'll do today is we will collect dimes and pennies for week 2. And today is the last day of week 2. So let's spin our spinner for today. And it landed on 1 dime. So I'm going to take 1 dime and I'm going to drop it into week 2 and add it on my chart. Week 2, we were making our X's in red. So here we go. So now let's count to see how much money we have for week 2. And then we'll put it in our chart. So let's count our dimes first. Always start with the largest amount of money, or the largest amount. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Wow, we collected 55 cents in week 2. Well, let's look at how that compares with week 1. We collected 56 cents in week 1 and 55 cents in week 2. So what's the difference between those two? 55 and 56. 1 cent. Let's just double check here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies for week 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies for week 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes for week 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes for week 2. So just 1 penny more for week 1. And that's all we'll do for Number Corner today.